Hi everyone, welcome. Today I'm unboxing my new vacuum cleaner from Bosch. It's the Readyy'y 2-in-1. It's a lithium-ion battery operated handheld vacuum cleaner and it's also cordless. So just having a look at the box quickly, and let's open it and have a look inside. So just the usual packaging that we get. Inside there's a couple of boxes with all the bits and pieces in them. So here's the main part of the vacuum, the sort of motor part. And here are the rest of the pieces. Instruction manual, a bit hard to unpack on camera. So we'll start off by having a look at the pamphlets that have come with it, just your warranty information, registration, and also the manual. And now we'll have a look at the main part of the vacuum, the motorised part. This is called the handheld. I'll just unpack it. So this is one of the reasons I actually bought the vacuum, the fact that it has the ability to disconnect the little handheld part from the main vacuum cleaner. So you can do your floors with the hand stick, and then you can take this one off, the little handheld, and do your corners, your edges, or any quick cleanups that you need to do. So just taking it off the main body there. And of course another reason that I bought this particular one is that it is a cordless vacuum, so it does not require a cord to operate. You simply charge it with a cord and then you take that away and use the vacuum cleaner. So you're free to roam around the whole house without having to worry about switching the power from one room to another, which can be quite a hassle. And the vacuum is powered by a 21.6 volt lithium battery, which gives you up to 45 minutes run time, depending on what setting you're using it on. And just turning the vacuum on there. Sounds good. So I'll just turn the vacuum around a little bit so you can have a look at it. Got the switch on top and your dustbin there. There's the nozzle area which you can put the extra attachments on. Yeah, it's quite light, compact, and feels alright in the hand. And it clicks in as such into the wand, which we have to build up. The rest of it is in this box, so I'll just take out all the other pieces, and they do require a screwdriver just to put one of the attachments on to secure it in place. So that's the top part of the hand stick, and there's the power adapter, so the vacuum just plugs into the wall for charging. The first charge takes, I think it's set around 7 hours, but from then on it's said to charge for about 4 to 5 hours. So there you just saw me take out the motorised brush roll head, and there's the little crevice tool. So you can get into tighter corners and little areas. And from what I understand, this vacuum can be used on all types of flooring, and it's good even to get under furniture. The head goes right down so you can go under things, and the little nozzle is good for getting into little areas where you couldn't otherwise reach. And the motorised head has a roller brush in it which can be removed for cleaning, so you can take hair off it or whatever may be stuck in there as you go along. And that's the top part of the wand that you can see there, with the switch, double switch for level 1 and 2, depends what speed you want. So level 1, from my understanding, is for your sort of normal cleaning jobs where you want maximum run time, and then the level 2, from my understand, is for the harder jobs where you need extra suction, but it will reduce your run time. And you can just see me unravelling the power adapter there. So all that happens is you put the vacuum cleaner together, and that just goes into the back of the wand as it stands up, and it just goes straight in the wall for charging. Takes several hours, and then the vacuum is ready to go. So my next step now is just to put the actual vacuum cleaner together. This is something you only do once when you first get it. So just need to take that screw out and put the rest of the wand into it and build it up. So the screw just comes out easily, and the wand goes on top, and then the screw just goes back in to secure that in place. And now that I've put it all together, we'll have a quick look. So there's the bottom of the wand. Moving down to the screw that I put in, and there's the power adapter point. It's just the base of the vacuum. And that's the little release switch for the motor head. There's the motor head. It's got a little few wheels at the back there just to keep it steady and help it roll along. And just turning the vacuum over now to see the other side. And one thing I didn't mention, I think I wasn't clear with, is that the handheld part only has the 0 and 1 switch. It's the hand stick that has 0, 1 and 2. So you've got the 2 levels on the hand stick but not on the handheld. The handheld only does the 1 level. So let's now have a look at the vacuum cleaner in action. So I'll stop the video there and just give you a little bit of commentary. So you can see me emptying the bin there. The bin is not super big, it's a 0.4 litre capacity. However, it has picked up a lot of rubbish, which is very impressive. The vacuum cleaner is also pretty quiet compared to some of the other ones I've used. And it performed really well across all the floors. I've used it on carpet and I used it in the kitchen and bathroom tile floors, and it went really well. All the suction was good. The crevice tool worked well. It could get into little corners and I could do the edging around the carpet to the wall. I tried the different power settings. So 1 I did on the tile floors and 2 I used for the carpet, which had really good suction, as you can see. So in summary, the vacuum cleaner has made a very good first impression on me. It is easy to use, easy to store, easy to get started with. It's versatile. I love the 2-in-1 factor that you've got the hand stick and the hand wand. There's good battery life in my opinion, and it is powerful as well as quiet. So that brings us to the end of the video. Please subscribe and like if you enjoyed the content, and I'll leave you with some clips to music to finish off. Thanks for watching.